Have you ever stopped to ponder how farmers grow their crops? It's a fascinating process that involves careful planning, preparation, and management. First off, consider the initial step, which is the preparation of the soil. Picture yourself wanting to plant a garden full of vibrant flowers. The first thing you do is prepare the soil, removing any stones and weeds. This is akin to creating a welcoming home for your soon-to-be planted seeds. Once the soil is ready, the next step is sowing. This is the process of planting the seeds in the soil, similar to how you might pot a tiny bean or seed at home. It's like tucking the seeds into their soil bed where they'll begin their journey of growth. But plants, much like us, need nourishment to grow. That's where manure and fertilizers come in. These elements serve as the food for plants, giving them the nutrients they need to flourish. Just as you might add a special something to your pet's food for that extra boost of health, farmers add manure and fertilizers to ensure their crops grow big and robust. Now, with the seeds sown and fertilized, the next phase is crop production and management. Imagine overseeing a large group of plants like a field of wheat or rice. The task at hand is to ensure these crops get ample water, sunlight, and nutrients. Managing crops means constantly checking in, ensuring they have everything they need to grow well. To bring this process to life, picture wanting to grow a field of sunflowers. The soil is prepared, cleared of any rocks or old plant remains. Sunflower seeds are then sown, with ample space allotted for each to grow. Special plant food or fertilizers are added along with compost. As they grow, you ensure they get enough water and sunlight. Any pests are dealt with, perhaps with a natural spray or by manually removing them. Eventually, after all this care and attention, the sunflowers bloom into a beautiful field of yellow. This process, from preparing the soil and planting seeds to providing food and care and managing the growth, is what farmers do on a grander scale to produce crops like wheat, rice, or vegetables. In summary, crop production involves a series of steps, each crucial to the overall process. It begins with preparing the soil, followed by sowing the seeds. This is then followed by the addition of manure and fertilizers to nourish the plants. Finally, the process concludes with careful crop production and management. Each step, though simple in its own right, plays a key role in the complex process of crop production, a process that brings us the food we eat every day.